Hey, it's Scott Wilkerson again, and I'm here with another screencast. This time I'm showing you how to use the template gallery. Today specifically, I'm going to use the template gallery to download a Google Doc that I will be using with my lesson plans. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Clark County Google Apps start page. So the Clark County website that you may know is clark.k12.ga.us. So all you're doing is putting start in front of that. Dot. So the site you go to is start.clark.k12.ga.us. Hit enter, and you'll notice here you are on the Google Apps start page for Clark County. You see here you have options such as Mail, Calendar, Google Drive, the template gallery that we'll be using in just a second. Here's also a link to the curriculum portal. So this is a good, helpful page for anyone in Clark County. There are also helpful links down the right side of the page for videos such as the Epson projector training video, using System Center to add and remove programs for your new laptops. And then this list will also update throughout the year with other helpful links. So this might be a place you want to check out periodically. And then Clark County announcements will populate over here on the left side as the school year progresses. So this is a good page for you to come look at periodically. But today, like I said, we're going to use the template gallery. So click on the link over there to the template gallery. It might take just a second. Once it loads the template gallery for you, you'll see that there are different sections in the template gallery. So it lands automatically on the Clark County templates, but there's also a tab over here for public templates. So if you're looking for some kind of spreadsheet or Google Doc to use in your classroom, maybe a newsletter or tracking data of some sort, you can search in the public templates or even in the Clark County templates. And then here's a tab over here for templates that you've used in the past. So to find the lesson plan template for your school, you need to come up here to the search box, click in here, and then just type in the 3-letter code for your school. So Harris, for example, would be JJH. Oglethorpe would be OGL. Whitehead is WHI. Fowler is FOW. If you don't know, you can ask one of your colleagues and they'll know the 3-letter code. So you just type that in and hit enter. It's just an easy way to go find the templates just for your school. So you see here I typed in JJH for JJ Harris, and here are the templates that I can use for that school. So you can preview the templates if you'd like. So there's a template A and there's a template B for you, and then each template has a collab version and a classroom teacher version. So depending on who you are, you just preview that template. So you'll see, gives you a nice view of what your template looks like. Yeah, I like this template. This is the template I'd like to use. So up here in the left-hand corner, I just say use this template. Click there, and it will save a copy of that template to your My Drive, Google Drive account. So this is now your template. So what I recommend doing here is first renaming this. Maybe this is going to be used for our lesson plan, so let's just save it as our last name, lesson plans template. So we now know this is our template. The first thing you'll need to do is come in here and set this up to match your schedule. So if your first subject is math, type that in. Maybe you have ELA next. Just make this match your schedule, and if you need to modify any of this, you can. You just need to leave these major components for each lesson in there. So once you've modified it to match what you need, you now have your template set up. But you're now ready to go create your lesson plans for week 1. So if you just started typing your lesson plans in here, you would actually be modifying your template. So you need to make a copy of your template. File, make a copy. So it just names it copy of, and then whatever you had already named it. So you now have a separate copy other than your template. This is where you'll actually come in here and start putting your standards, your opening. You type out your lesson plans here. So the standard that I'm working on for this week is, you type in whatever it is, and once you've typed out all of your lesson plans, you're now ready to start saving your lesson plans. You just need to make sure that it is named in the correct format. And the format that we will use to save our lesson plans will be a 2-digit month, a 2-digit day, and a 2-digit year. So whatever day your lesson plans are due, you just need to make the day the Monday of that week. So if my lesson plans are due this week, then I'm just going to name this based on the Monday of this week. So it would be the 5th. There you go. So I have a 2-digit month, a 2-digit day, and a 2-digit year. Remember, the day is just the Monday of that week's lesson plans. That way we're always on the same page. And then after you have the date, your last name, lesson plans. This is no longer the template. This is actually my lesson plans for that week. So after you've named it using this naming scheme, click OK, and you now have your lesson plan template for that week. The other video in the email that I sent shows you how to save this to your lesson plans folder, but this video is mainly just focusing on finding a template in the template gallery, downloading it, and making it your own. So good luck with this, and I look forward to hearing about your successes using Google Docs. Thank you.